third graders, welcome back to Mr. Camacho's Music Room. Today we're going to talk about staccato versus legato. So first we're going to start with legato. So legato means smooth. Whenever we see artwork that has nice smooth lines and lines that all come together and make some sort of picture like that, it is considered legato, right? So let's look at some pictures here, like this one. You see all the swirling lines and the different colors, but they're all nice and smooth, right? Nothing sharp-edged or hard there. Okay, what about over here? Do you see how this picture of a nice mountain with a perfectly smooth lake? The water on the lake is so smooth, it's almost like a mirror to the mountains on top. And then on this picture, look at this. It's like a little piece of pizza. It's a little cartoon piece of pizza, but you notice how all the lines are smooth, right? It doesn't look very rigid or hard. So legato is when we're talking about things that are smooth, very flowing, all right, very round sometimes. These are the things that are used to describe legato. Next, let's take a look at some staccato art. So staccato is when things are separated or pointed, right? Little doop, 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 little small sounds like that, all right? So in art, staccato is known as pointillism, all right? So in this picture, we see some sunflowers that are made by little dots. See all the little dots that are come together of different colors? If you look really closely, it just looks like dots. But if you look far away, it looks like sunflowers, right? And then what about over here? We see a heart that was made with dots, right? Just a bunch of dots in order to make it look like a heart. There might be smooth lines in there, but the smooth lines are made from dots. And then lastly, look at this one. Remember our slice of pizza from before? This is a staccato slice of pizza. You know, see how all the lines are all rigid, and they're the little pepperonis, they look like little squares, kind of, not really circles. So this is what when we're talking about staccato, separated, rigid, very pointed kind of art. Okay, so now we're going to look at some examples of staccato and legato in music, all right? So for this first time listening to the song, we're going to listen to the violins and the singers. They're going to sing a very legato, smooth line, all right? And while we're listening, I want you to move your arm up and down like this to match the smoothness that you're hearing, okay? Let's try it. So you notice how all those parts that we're moving to are very smooth, right? Smooth. Okay, so this time we're going to listen to the music and we're going to listen to the staccato parts. For the staccato parts, I want you to pretend like you're a chicken. So you need to have your arms like this, so here's your wings. And every time we hear the staccato part, dun 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 dun, you're going to whap your arms like a chicken, okay? So it's got to be really fast and quick, like a staccato notes. Here we go.
Pinta, el que pinta es el pintor.
if you hopefully, when you felt the quick movements, you felt the movement of staccato. Okay, so staccato, not so smooth, a little more rigid, a little more pointed. All right. So hopefully you were able to feel the difference between the staccato chicken movements and the legato smooth movements. Okay. So please, once you're done with this video, go back to the dashboard and click on the smooth or separated game and scroll down to number 11 so that you can play that game. It'll ask you to identify what is smooth, what is separate. And then once you're done with that, take the exit ticket so your teacher will know what you learned. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you next time.